Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a different kind of a food, that is quiche. A quiche is a food made out of pastry dough filled with mixture of eggs, milk and cream. So today we are going to substitute eggs and use other ingredients. So let's check out the twist in the recipe and start making quiche. Ingredients required for quiche dough are butter, flour, water, salt, corn flour and milk. First, we are going to add 125 grams of flour, 41 grams corn flour, take 82 grams of butter, chop it and it should always be cold. Now, using your fingertips, just mix the flour and butter. You need to be really gentle. We have to mix it till it's a sandy texture. This is called a rubbing method, where you mix flour and butter together first, and this is how we just keep mixing, and then we will add 4 grams salt and continue mixing. Once it comes to a sandy texture, this is what I meant by sandy, we are going to add milk and water. So milk is going to be 10 grams and water 30 grams. Just mix it to form a smooth dough. Once our dough is ready, we will chill it for at least 1 hour in the freezer and then use. And our dough is ready. See to it that you don't over knead it. Just knead it till all the ingredients are well combined. I have allowed it to rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, just remove your dough from the freezer and make it little soft. Now we are just going to roll this. So I'm going to use this mold for my quiche. You all can use any mold. We get this tarts and pies molds outside in the market, or you all can even order it online. We are going to roll it thin, not too thin. It should be around 3 mm. Just lift and put. Each time you put it inside, you have to lift the dough and press it down. And then press it from the center. Now we are just going to cut the excess dough. Just press it from the sides, keeping your mold away, and your knife should be like this. Our mold is lined. Now we'll again allow this to rest for 15 minutes in the freezer. I've allowed it to rest in the freezer for 15 minutes. Now with a fork, just rock it. This is done so that while baking it doesn't fluff up. Now we are going to do blind baking, that is putting some grains on this and then baking. So take some foil paper and just cover your dough. Now on this, for weight, I am just going to put some rice to give some weight. You all can put any grains, whichever you all want. Now this goes for baking. Now this goes for blind baking on 160 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. I have baked it for 15 minutes and now we are just going to remove the rice. Remove the foil paper and we will bake it for another 2 minutes and then put our filling. This is going to shrink, so don't worry about that. Ingredients required for the filling are cheese, all 3 bell peppers, olive oil, cream, milk, cream cheese, tomatoes, kidney beans, salt, jalapenos, chili flakes, basil leaves, maida and corn flour. First we'll add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Once our oil is heated, we'll add 1 tablespoon finely chopped bell peppers. In that 1 tablespoon finely chopped basil leaves, 2 tablespoons finely chopped tomatoes. In that 3 tablespoons boiled kidney beans, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon finely chopped jalapenos, and 1 teaspoon chili flakes. This is done. Now keep this aside. First we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons cream cheese, around 4 tablespoons cream, around 4 tablespoons milk. Whisk it till the time your cream cheese becomes smooth. Whisk it till all the lumps are gone. You can even use a beater and added another 3 tablespoons milk. And now, if you all are not going to add cream cheese, only that's when you all are going to add 1 tablespoon maida and 1 tablespoon corn flour. But I have added cream cheese, so I am not going to add this because my mixture is thick enough. This is ready. After baking it for another 5 minutes, we are going to put some cheese. I am going to put some cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. Then our filling. Then the other sauce, which we just made. Sprinkle some more cheese, and this will go for baking for 15 minutes. Bake it till it's golden on top. Our quiche is ready to serve. Serve it warm. Our quiche is ready. Explore making this delicious recipe for your guests at home. For more such videos, subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.